is for push. P is for push. Q is for quick. Q is for quick. R is for rough. R is for rough. S is for slow. S is for slow. T is for tall. T is for tall. U is for up. U is for up. U is for up. U is for up. V is for vast. V is for vast. W is for wet. W is for wet. X for extra small. X for extra small. Y is for young. Y is for young. Z is for zigzag. Z is for zigzag.